Welcome once again to our Tagalog language learning lesson. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, VSCDMSCD, speaking to you over the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am, author, writer of 22 books, yes, 22, and my first number one book is Speak Tagalog, a basic primer written by your student Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, and that little board is a gift to me by my students here in New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New City school teacher for so many years, and she is a Filipina born in New York City. I love my students. They all give gifts to me as well. And my second book that I am showing you is an English Tagalog version. Christ like Mom and Dad in Tagalog, Makadiyos Kristo na Tatay at Nanay. And you will find all my books at Amazon all over the world, all stores, online stores, outskirtspress.com, my Speak Tagalog book, and Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you, worldwide, globally, and at my website, juanitagutierrez.com. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy, and safe. In Tagalog, kahimanawari po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. This is Miss Gutierrez. In Tagalog, ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. How are you all? In Tagalog, kumusta po kayo? Kahimanawari po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. In English, I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy, and safe. How are you all? And I would like to give my love, light, and gratitude and honor to our God I Am presence right within our heartbeats. Sananda, otherwise known as Jesus, Lady Mary, Saint Joseph said, God is with us. The kingdom of God is within. So that's why we're all gods and goddesses. And so I would like to also give my love, light, and gratitude and honor to my wonderful parents, brothers and sisters and their own families, and to all of you, my wonderful subscribers. Those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so that you could be updated in all my videos and so that we could grow all together. Welcome to my new subscribers and also to my loyal subscribers. God bless us all. And so let us go to our next lesson. And by this time, excuse me please, let me put the pointer here. Tagalog, by this time you know how to say this. First syllable ta, second syllable ga, third syllable log. The accent is in the second syllable ga. So you say it Tagalog. Bigkas. Pronounce in Tagalog. Pronounce is bigkas. So you say it Tagalog. Tagalog. And we are going to discuss anyo tense ng pandiwa. Pandiwa is verb. Example, halimbawa, past tense, nakaraan. Past in Tagalog, nakaraan. First syllable na, second syllable ka, third syllable ka, fourth syllable an. The accent is in the fourth syllable, so you say it or pronounce this word or bigkas. Nakaraan. 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 That is past. Example, halimbawa, nagsulat. That means wrote. First syllable nag, second syllable su, third syllable lat. The first syllable nag has the accent, so you pronounce this word or bigkas in Tagalog, nag-sulat. Nag-sulat. Wrote. The next, anyo or tense ng pandiwa of verb, pandiwa verb, is present. Present is, in Tagalog, kasalukuyan. Kasalukuyan. First syllable ka, second syllable sa, third syllable lu, fourth syllable ku, and fifth syllable yan. The accent is in the fourth syllable, so you pronounce this or bigkas in Tagalog, kasalukuyan, 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 and that is present in English. Example, halimbawa, sumusulat, that is writing. Sumusulat. First syllable su, second syllable mu, third syllable su, and fourth syllable lat. The accent is in the third syllable, so you pronounce this or bigkas, sumusulat. Sumusulat, that is writing. Future tense. Anyo ng pandiwa or tense of the verb. Nang means of. I apologize, I forgot to write off here. And the next is future. Future tense or anyo ng pandiwa verb. Future in Tagalog is kinabukasan. Kinabukasan. First syllable ki, second syllable na, third syllable bu, fourth syllable ka, fifth syllable san. So the accent is in the fourth syllable, so you pronounce this or bigkas in Tagalog, kinabukasan. 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 And that is future in English. Example, halimbawa, susulat, that is will write. Again, susulat. First syllable su, second syllable su, third syllable lat. The accent is in the second syllable su. So you pronounce this or bigkas, susulat. Susulat. That is will write. Let's review. Tagalog, anyo, tense ng pandiwa verb, ng means of. Example, halimbawa, past tense. Tense is anyo ng pandiwa verb. Past, in Tagalog, nakaraan. Nakaraan. First syllable na, second syllable ka, third syllable ra, fourth syllable an. The fourth syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this or bigkas in Tagalog, nakaraan. 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 That is past. Example or halimbawa, nagsulat, wrote. First syllable nag, second syllable su, third syllable lat. The accent is in the first syllable, so you pronounce this or bigkas, nagsulat. Nagsulat, wrote. Present tense or anyo ng pandiwa or verb. Verb tense. Present in Tagalog, kasalukuyan. Kasalukuyan. First syllable ka, second syllable sa, third syllable lu, fourth syllable ku, fifth syllable, yan. The accent is in the fourth syllable. You pronounce this or because. Kasalukuyan. 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 That is present. Example, halimbawa, sumusulat. That is writing. Present. Sumusulat. First syllable su. Second syllable mu. Third syllable su. Fourth syllable lat. The accent is in the third syllable. So you pronounce this or because. Sumusulat. 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 Writing. The next is future tense. Tagalog, anyo ng pandiwa. Pandiwa is verb. Tense, anyo. So, future tense is in Tagalog kinabukasan. Kinabukasan. First syllable ki, second syllable na, third syllable bu, third syllable ka, fourth syllable, fifth syllable san. Excuse me, please. The fourth syllable ka has the accent, so you pronounce this or because. Kinabukasan. 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 That is future. Future tense or anyo ng pandiwa verb tense. Example or halimbawa, susulat. Will write in English. First syllable su, second syllable su, third syllable lat. The accent is in the second syllable, so you pronounce this or because in Tagalog, su, lat. Su, lat. Su, lat. That is will write in English. I hope you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. This is Miss Gutierrez. Blessings of Christ, love, and light to us all. The word Christ means unconditional love. So when we love and respect each other, we are all Christ. In Tagalog, marami pong salamat sa inyong pakikinig at panonood. Mahal ko po kayong lahat. Magmahalan po tayo dahil tayo ay Kristo lahat. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love, and light to us all. The word Christ means unconditional love. When we love and respect ourselves and each other, we are all Christ. As our source creator God within our heartbeats is all Christ, unconditional love. This is Miss Gutierrez. Thank you for watching. See you all again.